Rockford Speedway fans, it's 4th of July, off your seat, on your feet. Let's send these Miller Lite American short tracker drivers off. It's Saturday night short track racing. Let's wave to them as they come by. It's all on the line for these drivers. They qualified, they ran hot laps, they ran heat races. It's all or nothing tonight. They're gonna wave right back to you. Pick your favorite driver. That's my favorite part. Come out here and pick your car. So, I gotta say, Bridges, outside of Todd Bridges, that is Kyle Stark, 192. Inside row 5, that is going to be the 98, the fast qualifier, Kelly Evick. Outside of Kelly Evick is Todd Snow in the 44, and back there by himself in the 47, that is Ronnie Robinson, and that's your field. I'm glad there weren't any more. That was really fast to talk. Lights on the car corner, pace truck are out. Tim Finstad's bringing them around. Let's make some noise so they can hear you. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Feature time. These guys are going to go 25 laps, guys and gals, as it's a battle for first between Finstad and Rickelman. These two battled in the heat as Finstad went bad, and then Rickelman got the win. As Sean Breakout Bauer putting a lot of pressure on the back of the 50 of Sean Rickelman. As we're coming into turn 3. It's Finstad, barely. Watch that breakout Sean Bauer, Kyle Stark getting some pressure from Nick Schneider. Maybe the outside's faster tonight, I don't know. Ooh, looked like the 50 car Rickelman just about got in the back of Finstad, and breakout Sean Bauer and Kelly Evick make contact. So far, so good. We are almost 3 wide going into 3. Hang on to it. Kyle Stark out of nowhere looking to take the lead from Tim Finstad. 2 Wisconsin drivers beating all these Rockford, Illinois guys. What's up with that? Where's our Illinois people? So now our new leader is Kyle Stark, followed by Finstad. And it's Kelly Evick, the fast qualifier, challenging Sean Rickelman for 3rd. We got 5 down, 20 to go. Make that 19 to go this time around. As Kyle Stark is going to try to pull away as far as he can. Kelly Evick, knowing there's still 19 laps, but he's got some work to do as those 2 front cars are getting away from him. So it looks like our 3 fastest cars are at the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd right now. Breakout Sean Bauer was starting to look at Sean Rickelman, but then Nick Schneider slid right in there to put the pressure on breakout Sean Bauer. And it's Nick Schneider on the inside of Sean Bauer and just about lost it. Great driving by Nick Schneider, but now David Russell is all over the back of Nick Schneider as they make contact. Nick Schneider may be having a little bit of handling issues out there in that 55 car. Kelly Evick starting to close in there to make a challenge for 2nd place for Tim Finstad as he caught him already. So right now everybody else single file except for 2nd place. Kelly Evick just trying to get around Finstad. As Kelly Evick now secures 2nd place. Ooh, look at that firework. Ooh, that's pretty. Back to the races. So our rookie, Ronnie Robinson, now going down a lap as Kyle Stark is going to try to build as much of a lead as he can. And the race is probably going to be between Stark and Evick. As we're down to about, right now we've got, let's see, we're 12 down, 13 to go. 13 laps left in this race. We'll see what happens. So right now, just 1 car going down a lap. That is the rookie, Ronnie Robinson. First time out here this year in this car. I don't know if he raced out here last year or not, but definitely a newer driver here, so probably first day jitters. as we are basically single file racing, as we got 10 laps to go left for Kyle Stark in that 192 Nissan. Kyle Stark probably wanting to put it in cruise control. Not quite, can't really say you're that comfortable just yet here. We still got 9 laps to go. Kelly Evink with that fast time. We'll see if he can run him down in that 98 car. Everybody else is basically single file, but now Nick Schneider looking to challenge Sean Breakout Bauer. Nick Schneider on the inside of the 25 car. Here comes the 55 on the inside of him. Will he do something? See if he hangs on to it this time. He had trouble last time he tried to pass him. He held his line that time. Good driving by Nick Schneider. As we're getting down to 6 laps. It's a 6-lap trophy dash now. Nick Schneider and Sean Breakout Bauer still battling for that 4th spot. Everybody else kind of holding their own. What's going to happen? White flag out for Kyle Stark. Is anybody going to catch him? I don't think so. Oh, Russell feeling the heat. Him and Breakout Bauer making contact on the last lap. Here comes your winner. Well, there he goes, I should say. Let's see what happens here in the middle of the field. We're battling. Here comes Schneider and Rickelman. It's going to be Rickelman and Schneider. Russell, Bauer, Bridges, Amanda Bone, and Todd Snow. Wow. The only sun on the track. That's that GTR Black Edition is pretty fast. But that's not this car. Stand on the side, that's all right. All right, Rockford Speedway. He's getting out of his car. TBG Advanced Tuning, Glassworks of Wisconsin Incorporated, Performance Parts Auto Supply, Kanish Customs, Automotive Upholstery. It's hot. Make some noise, it's Kyle Stark. Kyle, I just want to have a couple words with you real quick. Come on over here. I got a good spot here on the mic. Put on that feature-winning cap. Come on over here, right over here. Yeah, you're like, where's this guy coming from? Kyle, congratulations. Now, I'm actually happy that I get to have this moment with you. First of all, congratulations, because Kyle never says anything on the mic. And I said to him in the pits, tonight, I want to hear you talk. So this is what I want to ask you. I want to talk about that heat race earlier when it was getting pretty intense between you and Kelly Evink. Like what was somebody blocking? I mean, what was going on? I just want to know, you know.
It's pretty much what happens when someone shows up and gives them competition. He don't like to give you the lane. So.
Right. How do you like racing here at Rockford, Kyle?
It's pretty fun. I haven't been here for a while other than Enduros, but it's a pretty fun track.
So I want to know this. Had there been a caution, do you think he could have beat you?
If he spun me out.
No, come on now. All right. Well, I got a lot of words from you, Kyle. Do you have anybody you want to thank at all?
All my sponsors. I got Glassworks, Wisconsin, Knish Customs, Performance Parts Supply, TBG Tuning, MWR Technology, Taylor Construction, Dixon Express, and Kurt for helping check some tire pressures.
Very nice. Will you be back for Midwest Dash Series, sir?
I won't. I won't be here. So.
Okay, all right. Kyle, congratulations, great run. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Kyle Stark.